Merlin and I live in Kerala.
My name is Menak Ray and I grew up in Sharjah, UAE.
My name is Ishita Bhaya and I'm from electrical department.
Abhishek Das,
Jaita Garai,
Angel Dipperma,
Shumetha Boral.
Elena Bas.
Rishabh Verma.
I want to be a part of the Euphony fam because it gives me the best platform that I could ask for to meet and learn a lot from others who share the same interests as I do.
एक ही क्लब है कॉलेज का म्यूजिक क्लब, तो व्हाई नॉट।
ये क्लब म्यूजिक से रिलेटेड है एंड आई लव म्यूजिक.
Euphony is a place where I think I can meet people having similar passion as me. So yeah, that's why I want to be a part of Euphony family.
My father is a musician, he's a guitarist, so I've been learning music from a very young age. So when I joined college, I guess Euphony was the very first club or the mandatory club that I had to join.
I want to be a part of the Euphony fam because being near talented people feels nice.
I would like to do a concert with Darshan Rawal.
I would want Darshan Rawal to compose a romantic track for me and that should be a super duper hit.
जलवा है हमारा.
I'd like to release my own EP someday and like to hit the top charts in any country.
वो गिटार होता है जिसके हैंडल से आग निकलता है, वो लाइक बाय एक्सपीरियंस करना.
Though I'm not a die-hard fan of BTS or Blackpink, but I want to visit South Korea and see the crowd in their concert and also make my friends jealous.
I want to share stage with Arjit Singh.
I wish to win an Oscar award.
whenever the college reopens, then like I have one secret fantasy that everyone should know me. Like this guy sings and plays guitar quite well, and most basically to be popular amongst girls.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया, औरत का चक्कर.
Basically, I know nothing of using it for 1 million because I didn't even start learning something to make use of it. So basically, I'll continue my engineering and then use it for 1 million.
My one salam. Invest. Most profit.
ऑफ कोर्स कॉलेज जाते किस लिए लोग? पैसा कमाने. मिल रहा है पैसा और कॉलेज से तो एक दिन जाना ही है, कर लेते हैं ड्रॉप आउट, आगे चलते हैं.
Obviously, I will drop out of engineering and I'll start my own business.
अपन भी एक चाय का दुकान खोलेगा. चाय, बिस्कुट, लेमन, सोडा, राइस प्लेट, सब बेचेगा.
I'll make a studio of mine and make it very cool since I've got a lot of money, $1 million.
Because having tons of cash and being able to go to college is the goal.
जब तक पैसे का बात है, पैसे से उतना कुछ है नहीं. लगाओ तो कितना भी पैसा दे दो, I won't mind. It's just useless for me.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
I used to click the most embarrassing moments of my friends, like if my friends are arguing with each other or any kind of funny moments. I just capture those moments in my camera secretly, and then after some days I viral them in the friends group. So that is a talent in me, but my friends don't like that talent.
मेरे जो क्लासमेट होंगे या फिर मेरे दोस्त होंगे, उनकी जो सलाह है कि अपने कान बचा के रखो. मुझे खींचने की बहुत अच्छी आदत है.
So I think I can sleep like for 16 to 18 hours a day and I think that's the only useless talent I have.
Don't have any talent, but I can say I'm the most useless.
I would ask all the students to get back to the college immediately.
One thing compulsory in the college, I think, would be
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Firstly, I will ban online classes and I will provide free canteen food for all.
I would make is compulsory. Yes, boys can make some noise. बस enjoy करो, मस्त मजे में, खुशी खुशी, मस्ती मस्ती.
I'd like to make Battle of the Band events compulsory every year.
Probably prom nights. Every 2 to 3 months में तो एक prom night होना ही चाहिए.
और हमारी पार्टी हो रही है.
I'll make sure one trip every year compulsory in college, and I'll probably ban long ED classes without break.
I'll ban classes in like no classes, no projects, no assignments.
I think project-based work I would make compulsory.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
पढ़ाई लिखाई बैन करो. कॉलेज में पढ़ाई लिखाई होता है क्या?
In such case, I would like to sing মাঝে মাঝে তবু দেখা পায় চিরদিন কেন পায় না.
My heart will go on from the Titanic.
दिल दे दिया है जा तुम्हें देंगे दगा नहीं करेंगे सनम.
I'd probably play them the guitar and maybe an Elvis Presley song.
Don't know about song, but I would play piano.
I would like to play the guitar and उसके साथ मैं song गाना चाहूँगी Jump and Fall by Taylor Swift.
देखो, क्रश को प्रपोज करने में अपना घंटा तो सब बजाते हैं, तो घंटा नहीं बजाना, क्रश को बोंगो बजा के दिखाऊंगा. बोंगो.
I would play violin.
This song would be मेरे हाथ में तेरा हाथ हो, सारी जन्नतें तू मेरे साथ हो.
So first of all, I'm never going to propose my crush or anyone.
The song is Afghan Jalebi.
One song of Divine I like, which is Mirchi Mirchi Mirchi.
Mirchi Mirchi Mirchi.
It's Mambo number 5. It's Justin Bieber's Baby. I'm sorry.
Anime songs.
I think everybody in their once in their lifetime they are a bathroom singer. If they're saying they're not, they're lying.
कॉलेज में आने के बाद हॉस्टल में तो पता लग ही जाएगा.
कौन नहीं होता बाथरूम सिंगर? बाथरूम में गाना नहीं गाओगे तो किधर गाना गाओगे?
Yes, of course, I'm a bathroom singer. और मैं टेलर स्विफ्ट और आरियाना ग्रांडे के गाने ज़्यादा गाती हूँ during shower. And like ऐसे ही हाथ को माइक की तरफ कर लेती हूँ और फिर बस गाते रहती हूँ. पता नहीं कौन सी दुनिया में खो जाती हूँ गाते गाते.
Yes, I'm a proud bathroom singer and I love to sing those songs particularly which sounds very good in echo.
तो वो जो बाथरूम है, it's just like concert hall, right? उधर reverberation अच्छा होता है. और this is my mind में जो भी गाना मतलब बजते रहते हैं वही गाते हैं.
I pretend to be in a concert.
कांटा लगा.
There was a guy in our group who by mistake switched on his camera in the class and he wasn't wearing any shirt. It was quite a few times after he realized his camera was switched on and we had all taken pictures and made memes and stickers out of it.
Apparently, I think I left my mic on and started listening to Golden by Harry Styles and then belted out my favorite part along with him, like I don't wanna be alone when it ends, I wanna let you know. And then it happened. Everybody were like, okay Shubhangana, your mic is on, come on, do it.
That's something cliche too. My camera turned on accidentally. But the embarrassing part was that I was in bed and I hadn't had breakfast, so my mom was forcing me to have breakfast. So basically she was feeding me.
Okay, so recently what happened, our professor wasn't in the class, so we were playing weird meme sounds. I played this.
Music.
Actually, one day our teacher left the meet. Maybe he was facing some network issues. And then there was this guy who suddenly started singing. His mom shouted at him and we all could hear it.
There was some function going on and one of the teachers started shouting and the chief guest was completely surprised.
Yes, of course, I felt it so many times that music saved me many times in my life because whenever I feel depressed, I listen to music.
Many times it happened when I was like very down and nothing was going right. So that was the time when probably music was the only thing that seemed right.
हर रोज हर वक्त सुबह शाम म्यूजिक ही तो है लाइफ में.
Yeah, I just grab my guitar and starts to sing, and every emotions just go away from them.
Music, the sense of music is the only saving, only earning in my life so far.
When things don't go right and I'm not feeling up to anything, I just like to turn to music for comfort, and I think that music does offer me the comfort that I need.
Music is just like a stress buster for me, right?
I need music every day in my life.